Trump tried to use the protests triggered by the murder of George Floyd to divide the country, but 62% of Americans support the protesters. Via a new Morning Consult poll, 62% of U.S. adults said they support the protests in response to the death of Floyd and others in the black community, up 8 points from the prior survey. Democratic support rose by 11 points while support among independents and Republicans grew by 10 and 6 points, respectively. And while only 44% in the May 31 to June 1 poll said they backed the protesters involved in the demonstrations, 55% said the same in the new survey. In the weeks since Trump declared himself to be a law and order president, and went to war with the protesters, public support for the protests has grown and support for Trump's position has declined. It is unfathomable that a president could be as wrong and out of touch with the nation that they are supposed to be leading as Donald Trump is. A good president has their finger on the pulse of the country. Trump is analyzing the nation by watching Fox News and tweeting. America is in the middle of a historic moment with a vital conversation ongoing. By putting himself on the wrong side of history, Trump is punching his own ticket out of the White House in November.